I think.
There he is. I see him. In the corner now.
Oh yeah, look at him, way in the
Oh,
corner.
there's like 2 of them.
God, can you imagine? Unbelievable.
Oh, they've got a bunch of them.
Are you talking about the fish?
Yeah.
Oh!
My God.
Oh my gosh.
That was cool. Wow.
You get him, girl. You go, girl.
Look at her.
Oh, must have swum up that way.
Wow. Wow.
She's teaching him how to fish.
Yeah. This is how it's done.
No, I always root for the underdog.
Me too. I'm rooting for the fish.
I'm rooting for the fish.
Poor fish has got its
But
minutes
she's got to
numbered.
feed her baby. There's lots of food in here.
Nature's tough.
There he is.
Where?
The fish. He just spun around. Now he's going back this way.
Yeah.
See him up there?
Oh shit.
Yep. There he goes.
How is she tracking this? By sound? Like
Yeah.
tracking the fish by
Look,
sound?
there he is over there.
Oh, must-
She's gonna fly again.
I wonder if we're messing her up.
I don't think she's...
He's pretty focused.
Mind the audience.
He's pretty focused.
As long as we don't mess with her. With the bird waiting for his opportunity. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the coolest bird.
That bird's here all the time. That's his little home.
Where'd they go?
I think it went swimming over there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you think the fish went over
Yeah,
Maybe it got away.
there?
I think it did.
Wow.